Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today is going to be a little story time. Let's get into it. For those that don't know, my family and I are going to be moving. I got a new job, which requires me to move to a different location. And as part of that process, I have to move all of my equipment, my garage, everything in here. Again, I think I just did this 2.5 years ago. What I'm going to be doing in this video is getting the lasers ready to ship. So there are 4 of them that are going to get boxed up, and they're going to be taken for a little bit of a period. I think I will get them back in about a month or 2 once we are moved and I have the new spot that they're going to go into. So I will get them back. It just won't be, right away. So in the meantime, I'm going to be trying to do more videos around business, maybe just some design stuff. So if you have ideas for videos you want to see that don't require a machine to be used, put those in the comments below, because I definitely need some ideas for that. I do have one video coming up that I think will be super helpful around buying a laser. So keep a lookout for that as well. So first up, I'm going to move some stuff around in my garage. So do a little time lapse of that so I can make some room to stage the machines. The machines won't get picked up till probably Thursday or Friday. It's Monday right now, but I need to start crating them because it'll take a while. So I'm going to make some room in my garage and try to stage them right next to each other. But let's get started and see how much we can get done today. You'll see behind me, there's the galvo right there. That'll get boxed up. The Pro on the other side will get boxed up. The Pro is about, I'd say like half the size of my car. So that one's one that I'm probably gonna try to do first. But in order to do that, I need to clean up this whole space. This is just junk. So I'm gonna start by doing that, and then we'll start moving the lasers around. So let's go into a time lapse of it. Now that this space is relatively clear, I'm going to start bringing pallets in from outside. I did hold on to most of my packing material, I think for every laser but one. So start with one of those. I might start with the Pro. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna start bringing the pallets in, see if they'll fit, and then if I have to move tables, I'll do that ahead of time before I start actually packing them all up. So let's start off and see how far we go. All of the lasers are crated up and packed up so that they can be shipped. It's going to actually go back to Epilog for a little while. The galvo is going to go to a friend of mine, and then they will all get shipped back to me in packs. So a couple of them will come in the next month or so, and then the galvo will be a little bit later than that. But they all get picked up tomorrow and go on a truck, and then I'll start doing videos about business and design. So if you have any questions or things you want to see, put those in the comments below, and I will do my best to make videos about those while I am traveling back and forth for my job. But thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my Instagram at MakerExperiment, and I will see you in the next video.